What's up, guys? Kane Williams here, back with another video. Today we're going to be rebuilding this 2017 Kx450 that my dad got for me to make some money for racing in 2026. After looking over it, looks like the plastics are pretty bummed out. Look like they've been sitting in the sun for a while. We started the bike. The engine's actually running pretty good. But yeah, it doesn't look very good. We don't have this right here. And we have an ASV lever, at least. It's hard to pull in. These grips are slippery. Need a new chain guard, new chain. The pipe is absolutely dog crap. But yeah, come check out this front brake over here. Factory. So yeah, my dad got the parts, and in today's video we're going to be getting all this over and making this bike look brand new to sell. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take off the plastics. Alright guys, we just finished taking the plastics off, and this thing looks pretty dirty. We're missing a few bolts and everything. It's pretty dirty, so I'm going to get wipes to wipe it down because, like you see, she is pretty dirty. Before we put these fresh black graphics on over here that we got, the only ones that they had, but it's alright. Hasn't stopped any black graphics before. Actually, these are white, but they got black in them. So yeah, we're gonna wipe this down and get another time lapse of that. Alright, y'all, we just got finished with wiping it down. As you can see how fresh and shiny it's looking, even though it's all scratched up. But we just realized that there's a whole bunch of dirt in the air box, so we have to take it out and clean it. And also we're going to pressure wash it after, before we put the plastics on, and we have a cable for this and everything. So yeah. Alright, y'all, we just finished cleaning up the air box and everything. Had a little lunch break. As you can hear, it is raining outside, but that's not going to stop us. I got this. We're going to change these grips because these grips are torn and torn up to pieces. So yeah, I got that one off, and I haven't got this one off yet. So we're doing that, but right now we have to put the air box and everything back on. So yeah. Alright, y'all, we just finished getting the back of this done. As y'all saw, my dad put a light down here so that I can get the brake lever installed in here. He already loosened this for me. So, yeah, we're going to get that installed. So, yeah. Alright, y'all, we just got done installing the clutch cable in. My first time doing that, so I was really excited. Now, all we have to do is put clutch kit in and parts with it, throw the plastics back on, and that'll be it. Alright, y'all, we're draining the oil so then we can put the new clutch in. And before that, we're gonna get these grips off, because these grips are just horrid looking. They look like they've never been changed. So yeah, after we get these grips, cut them off. I already got that one off. Then we're gonna get on with the clutch, put on the graphics, and that'll be it. Alright, y'all, we just got done putting in the fresh clutch in, put the oil in. So, yeah, we just got to put the graphics on. I mean, not graphics, the plastics on and the grips. And, yeah, that will be complete for this KX 2017 450. But we can't get the tires today. So, yeah, it's not complete yet. But, yeah, this is a lot to get done in a day. And we just about to do a time lapse for the plastics. These things look sick. They're nice. Set them down, get them ready. Nice black plastics. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we just got finished with the plastics, put the seat back on, got the brand new grips on, got a little dirty because we still had a little dirt on our hands, but yeah, the bike's looking sick. It's looking way better than it did at the start. Yeah, it's looking awesome. Here's how she sounds. Sounds fresh. Work paid off, boys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and check out our channel sponsors. Matt Burkeen, Sport Durst Power Sports, Race Rig Rescue, HBI Racing, Squawk, and Cardo, and Luke's Live Edge.